Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It's burning right pretty well, and after getting the temperature up so that the draft is pulling good, that's what we've got. And I filled it right up to there. So the next step is you have to do it kind of quick because it burns fairly fast. You put on the riser tube on that for the sawdust, and I'll put this over here, and I'm just going to put that on instead of all that stuff too. I don't need all that, it's warming up outside. But I'll show you what that looks like in place, and then we just keep filling that all up. So that's the way this thing works. So what I did on that, so we keep the air leakage down on it, is I took some of that ash, fly ash that accumulates into the back of the heat exchanger, and I just sprinkled it around on the edge of that thing there. So it just kind of seals it off a little more. So the only air I want going in there is right down at in that primary air one and the secondary air in the back. So the less contamination air you can get in from other places there, the better it runs. So there you go, everybody. Hope you got a little something out of this. What I'm going to do is take that tube off again, put the cover on it, and we're going to call it a day. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Be safe and help your neighbors.